Did you know? Just one simple food can help ease the pain, reduce stiffness, and make your legs feel stronger overnight? Many people over 60 think they need supplements or intense exercise. But they often forget the most accessible thing that can transform their health: what they put on their plate each day. And what has surprised me the most over the years is that the foods that restore leg strength the fastest are often the very ones sitting forgotten in your kitchen. I've seen hundreds of patients over the age of 60 in my clinic, and one of the most common things they say is, "I don't understand why my legs keep getting weaker. I haven't had any injury at all." They describe waking up with heavy legs, struggling every time they go up the stairs. Then they start avoiding movement, avoiding walking, even avoiding going outside. Gradually, their leg muscles weaken. And with that, their sense of independence begins to slip away. But you know what? Sometimes the answer isn't found in a new medication or an expensive exercise machine. It's found right on the dinner plate. Studies show that after age 60, if we don't give our bodies the right nutrients, we can lose up to 3% of muscle strength every year, especially in the legs. But here's the good news. Within just 12 hours of eating the right foods, you can start feeling a real difference in muscle power, balance, and even relief from joint pain while moving. And that's exactly what I want to share with you today. 9 foods that have been scientifically proven to restore leg strength naturally, safely, and effectively. One by one, I'll walk you through each, starting with a food that's often overlooked, but delivers almost immediate benefits to your muscles. If what I've shared so far makes you rethink your daily food choices, then stay with me until the end of this video. Because as we go on, the information will only become more important. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so we can meet here each week and continue sharing simple, practical, and meaningful insights, specially tailored for your health after 60. Now, let's walk through each of these powerful foods, starting with the very first one. 1. Pumpkin seeds. Many people see pumpkin seeds as nothing more than a casual snack, something to munch on during holidays. But hidden within those tiny shells is a living mineral for your muscles, especially for legs that have carried the weight of a lifetime. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in muscle contraction and relaxation. For those over 60, magnesium isn't just helpful, it's essential. It helps reduce nighttime leg cramps and improves nerve sensitivity and reflexes in your calves and feet. They also contain zinc, which supports hormonal balance and helps the body recover after movement, along with healthy unsaturated fats that naturally reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints. From my clinical experience, I've met countless seniors who complained about sudden muscle cramps at night or feeling wobbly when standing up. After testing, many of them showed mild magnesium deficiency without ever realizing it. But after just 1-2 weeks of small dietary changes like adding pumpkin seeds daily, they often began to feel a clear improvement. The best part? They're easy to prepare. Just soak raw pumpkin seeds in water overnight to reduce phytic acid, a compound that can block mineral absorption. Then drain them. The next morning, sprinkle a spoonful over hot porridge. Mix into a light meal, or even blend them with banana and almond milk into a creamy, nourishing smoothie. Just 1-2 teaspoons a day can deliver hours of relief and renewed strength to your legs. This is the first gift nature offers us: quiet, but powerful. And if you still wake up feeling heavy or slow on your feet, the next food I'm about to share might truly surprise you. It's a tart little juice, yet it can soothe sore muscles and rebuild leg strength in under a day. 2. Tart cherry juice. Not the sweet cherries you often see in pastries or cocktails, but the smaller, slightly sour variety commonly used to make pure juice. In the field of muscle and joint health, this is considered a natural recovery drink, especially beneficial for older adults who experience muscle soreness or joint stiffness in the morning. Tart cherries contain a group of plant compounds called anthocyanins, powerful anti-inflammatory agents that help improve blood circulation, reduce muscle inflammation, and ease tightness in the calves after walking, climbing stairs, or standing for long periods. According to a study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, seniors who drank 2 glasses of tart cherry juice daily reported up to a 23% reduction in muscle soreness and significant improvement in quadriceps strength within just a few days. I once advised a patient, Mr. Walter, 68, to try tart cherry juice after he told me that his legs always felt stiff and sore in the morning, like they were being pulled tight. Just a few days later, he called back sounding relieved. "Doctor, I walked up the stairs without needing to hold the railing like I used to." What's remarkable is that the effects of tart cherry juice often kick in within 8 to 12 hours, enough to help your legs feel lighter and more flexible by the next morning. But here's an important note. Be sure to choose pure, unsweetened tart cherry juice, not cocktail blends or flavored drinks. Just 1 small glass, about 180 milliliter in the evening or after a light walk, is enough to help your legs recover more quickly. If the sour taste puts you off, you can dilute it with warm water. It still retains its benefits and becomes much easier to drink. You'll be surprised how much 1 small glass before bed can change how your legs feel the next morning. 3. Lentils. I remember visiting Mr. Henry once, a 68-year-old retired engineer in Florida. He told me, "Lately, my legs feel weak and shaky when I stand too long, and I've lost confidence in my steps. But ever since my wife started adding lentils to our daily meals, I feel completely different." He smiled, a quiet joy glowing in his eyes. It wasn't magic. It was consistency. And it was his body finally being nourished the right way. In fact, it's not hard to understand why. Lentils contain all the key elements needed for muscle recovery in older adults. High-quality protein, iron, magnesium, potassium, and especially an amino acid called leucine, which plays a powerful role in triggering muscle regeneration. What's especially interesting is that lentils digest slowly, providing a steady stream of energy over several hours. This is incredibly important for seniors, who often tire easily or feel drained when walking or climbing stairs. Lentils act like a gentle, smoldering fire, not flashy, but always warming and supporting your legs through every movement. You can cook lentils into a hearty soup with vegetables, or mix them with turmeric, lemon, and garlic for an anti-inflammatory boost. Avoid canned varieties that contain added salt and preservatives. The best way is to use dried lentils. Cook them until soft, and enjoy them warm. Even just 1 small bowl at lunch or dinner can noticeably strengthen your legs by the time you get out of bed the next morning. 4. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens, especially beneficial for people over 60 who are experiencing poor circulation, muscle stiffness, or leg fatigue. When lightly cooked, spinach breaks down oxalates compounds that can block mineral absorption, making it easier for the body to absorb valuable nutrients like nitrate, potassium, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients directly support nerve signaling, regulate muscle contraction, and improve blood flow to the legs. A study published in Frontiers in Physiology showed that older adults who ate spinach daily increased their leg strength by up to 16% within just 12 hours, thanks to its natural nitrate content. Once digested, nitrate is converted into nitric oxide, a compound that widens blood vessels and enhances oxygen delivery to leg muscles. Even a single cup of cooked spinach can noticeably relieve that heavy, tired feeling in your legs after a grocery run or climbing a few stairs. I often describe spinach as gentle like a spring breeze, yet strong like the roots of an old tree. To prepare it, you can lightly sauté spinach with garlic, olive oil, and a few drops of lemon juice, or steam it briefly to preserve its nutrients. Avoid overcooking, as excessive heat can destroy its precious nitrates. For more variety, try adding spinach to scrambled eggs, soups, or mix it with quinoa for a balanced, leg-strengthening meal. Many patients ask me, "Doctor, where should I start if my legs feel numb or tired lately?" Sometimes the answer is surprisingly simple. Start with what's familiar. A glass of tart cherry juice before bed. A plate of spinach at lunch. And often, one small change like that is all it takes to help you regain strength and confidence in every step you take. 5. Salmon, a recovery medicine for aging legs. Salmon is more than just a delicious meal, it's a powerful recovery medicine for legs over 60. Science has shown that salmon contains 3 key nutrients essential for muscle recovery in older adults. High-quality protein, potent anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, and most importantly, vitamin D, a critical nutrient for maintaining healthy muscles, bones, and nerves. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate salmon 3 times a week increased strength in their thighs and knees by up to 24% within just 10 days. Remarkably, participants who struggled with mobility also experienced notable improvements in walking and getting up from chairs. Omega-3 second in salmon don't just reduce inflammation, they also enhance muscle flexibility, easing that stiffness you might feel in the morning. At the same time, vitamin D supports efficient muscle contraction, reduces cramps, and helps the body absorb calcium into the bones. Every bite of salmon is like adding fuel to the strength of your legs. And don't worry if you're not into complicated cooking. A simple steam or light bake with lemon, garlic, and olive oil is all you need. Avoid frying or sweet marinades. Just 100 grams of salmon in the evening can make your legs feel lighter and more agile the next morning. With salmon, you're not only nourishing your heart, you're quietly strengthening your legs. Step by step, day by day. 6. Beets, nature's circulation booster for your legs. Beets are packed with naturally high levels of nitrates, which, once inside the body, convert into nitric oxide, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels and increase blood flow to the legs. This means your leg muscles receive more oxygen, function more efficiently, and fatigue less quickly. A study on older adults revealed that just 1 glass of beet juice significantly improved walking ability, stair climbing, and balance. Some participants even reported feeling the difference within just a few hours. Amazing, isn't it? If you're not a fan of drinking beet juice, don't worry, beets can be steamed, roasted, or tossed into salads. You can also blend them with apple, carrot, or ginger to make the juice more palatable. The key is to use pure beets, no added sugars, no artificial ingredients. A small glass in the morning or before light physical activity can deliver almost immediate benefits. Beets aren't just food, they're a natural circulation remedy for legs after 60. They help you feel the revival of your muscle strength, endurance, and flexibility, qualities you may have thought were lost with age. 7. Quinoa, a gentle powerhouse for aging muscles. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth, something most grains can't offer. It's also rich in iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E, key nutrients that support healthy muscle contraction, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. A study from Brazil found that older adults who ate quinoa at lunch experienced improved walking ability the following morning, even better than those who had white rice or bread. The reason? Quinoa digests slowly, providing steady energy throughout the afternoon and evening. Thanks to its magnesium content, it also helps prevent nighttime leg cramps, promoting better sleep and helping you wake up with more flexible, pain-free legs. Before cooking, simply rinse quinoa well to remove its natural bitterness. Then simmer with water or low-sodium broth. You can use it as a base like rice. Mix it with eggs and vegetables. Or sprinkle it on top of salads. It's easy to digest, mild in flavor but delivers powerful recovery support. Just one small serving a day can give your legs more strength, endurance, and stability in the most natural and nourishing way possible. 8. Eggs, a simple morning boost for stronger legs. Eggs contain high-quality protein and provide all essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscles. After the age of 60, when muscle mass naturally begins to decline, starting your morning with 1 or 2 eggs can act like a gentle medicine to restore strength to every fiber in your legs. But that's not all. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D and choline, 2 vital nutrients that help muscles function smoothly, reduce cramping, and prevent fatigue. I still remember Mrs. Linda, 68 years old, telling me she often felt leg fatigue by late afternoon even when she only walked around the house. But after swapping her usual sweet breakfast for boiled eggs and greens for Matersaslashend, she told me that within a month, she no longer felt the same heaviness in her legs, and even climbing the stairs started to feel easier and lighter. The key lies in how you prepare your eggs. Boiling, poaching, or steaming is best rather than frying in oil. A little fresh herb, a slice of avocado, or some leafy greens can turn your breakfast into a perfect, nourishing energy source. For those concerned about cholesterol, simply limit to 3-4 eggs per week, and pair them with a fiber-rich, vegetable-based diet to help balance everything out. 9. Bone broth, natural lubrication for your joints after 60. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline compounds that help rebuild cartilage, reduce soft tissue inflammation, and improve muscle flexibility. For those over 60, joints like the knees, ankles, and feet often bear the brunt of daily pressure. As cartilage wears down over time, it's common to experience stiffness, pain, or a grinding sensation. At this point, bone broth acts like a biological lubricant, gently soothing inflamed areas and restoring the connection between muscle and bone. But how you prepare and consume bone broth matters. It's best to simmer chicken or beef bones from pasture-raised, antibiotic-free animals for at least 8 to 12 hours. Adding a spoonful of apple cider vinegar and a few cloves of garlic or ginger helps draw out the nutrients more effectively. You can drink a small cup on an empty stomach in the morning. Or, after a light afternoon walk, these are the moments when your body absorbs collagen most efficiently. And the result? Just 1 cup a day may leave your joints feeling less stiff, your steps lighter, and even the act of standing up becomes less of a challenge. It's not a miracle, it's science. Simple, natural, and profoundly effective. We've just explored 9 simple, accessible foods, each with a remarkable power to restore your legs, the very part of your body that carries you through every step, every dream, and every journey in life. After the age of 60, every meal is no longer just about filling your stomach. It becomes a way to nourish your independence, your freedom, and your sense of self-worth. I've always believed, we don't grow weaker because we age. We grow weaker because of the quiet choices we make every day. From how we sleep, how we move, to what we place on our plate. And that also means we can change. Gently, but deeply. If this video was meaningful to you, please tap the like button to support this channel. And let me know that these insights, drawn from years of working with older adults like you, are reaching the hearts that need them most. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell, so that each week, we can meet again, and continue this journey toward living healthier, happier, and stronger after 60.